Greetings from Astanali, and today I will be talking about active listening. Active listening is one of the most important components of effective communication. We might be talking a lot, but equally important is how we listen, how actively we are listening. Because sometimes when we don't listen properly, the communication may not be effective because we may not have received the message as it is intended to be, and we may not give an appropriate and the right response. So there is a case study I would like to share with you. Sam is an executive. He's working in customer service department. He has to interact with a lot of people, coming with complaints, suggestions, solutions, and a lot of important feedbacks. Unfortunately, Sam has some kind of a difficulty in listening, and it interferes with his performance also. So, what do you think Sam should do to improve his listening skills? How can he become an active listener? Let us see some points. Listening is an art. In fact, it's very difficult. It's very, very difficult compared to talking. And when somebody is talking to us and when we are listening, first thing is what Sam can do is probably stop interrupting frequently and stop talking unnecessarily so that he is able to listen carefully what the other person is telling to, and can also make the other person comfortable. You can ask him to relax and then make him feel at ease. And in case there are a lot of unnecessary distractions around, say there might be a mobile phone which can sometimes interrupt, or some other distractions. So what you can do is you can remove those unnecessary distractions. And Sam has to show an interest. It has to be genuine. He should be genuinely showing interest that he's ready to listen and is giving importance to what the other person is speaking. He has to be patient. And sometimes what we do is we start judging or assuming things even before the person completes his talk or whatever he wants to convey. So you should avoid that. You should also avoid unnecessary arguments, in the process, and criticisms. First is you should wait for the other person to complete what he wants to say. And if possible, and given a chance, you can ask some questions so that to show that he is actively listening. So there are some few tips, but again, this listening skills is also part of effective communication skills. And we do conduct a number of seminars. For more information, you can visit our site, which is www.astanali.com. Thank you for visiting us. Thank you.